So October 23rd is National Make a Difference Day. So today I want to bust the myth about dyslexic people not being able to make a difference in the world. When Albert Einstein was a little boy, he was 5, I believe, he was sent home from school and they told his mom, don't ever bring him back. He was good for nothing, basically. Well, I don't think there's a person over 15 who has never heard of Albert Einstein. And there are so many other famous dyslexic people that have contributed greatly in the world. Leonardo da Vinci, Richard Branson, Albert Einstein, who else? Henry Ford, Henry Winkler. I could go on and on. But if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know I don't really remember names super well. So rather than me continuing to go down the list and get stuck, we'll just provide you with a list of famous dyslexic people and you can take a look. If a person who is dyslexic has one person who believes in them, supports them, and helps them learn what they need to know, they will be successful. Success doesn't always mean making a lot of money. Successful can be lots of different things and is individual to each one of us. But we can all be successful in our own right. And it's important to realize that we are a contributing factor to the success of other people around us, especially our loved ones. And dyslexic people can definitely achieve a great deal, if not more, than our counterparts can. If this resonates with you and you have a child who you are concerned about, you can schedule a consultation call with me today to learn more.